And here it is. Huh? Yeah. New fuel pump, just in case. Although I think it's identical to the one that is on the car. But yeah, it had a rough time, so yeah, just to be sure it wasn't that expensive. I mean, in comparison to that damn thing. Yeah, it's adding like 20% of the value to the car. Some generic 1 bar fuel pump, low pressure. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try to drain the fuel from this old tank. Okay, looks like it's going to work. No idea how much fuel is there. Okay, I could take a bit cleaner bucket, but okay, whatever. Hope that's enough, damn it. I have something else here? Shit. Not good. Uh-huh. Now what? Look at that. It looks almost fresh. Oh man. Okay, how do I get it out now? Please don't tell me I have to take out the shaft. Victory! Whew. Yeah, I've got this sucker. Whew. Damn it! Yeah, for putting in the new one, I will definitely have to dismount this part of the exhaust. Great stuff. Whew. here's our brand new fuel tank. Ooh, yeah, but I'm a bit afraid that it won't last long with this thin layer of paint over that. So to give it a better chance than the old one had, we're gonna actually cover it with this two-part epoxy primer, the Novel Protect 360. Here's the hardener for that. Yeah, but first we need to roughen the surface a little with sandpaper, I guess 400 grit. This is interesting. I've left it for a few days and something came out. I'm a bit afraid to touch it. What the hell? We'll need this air relief nipple for the new tank because I don't have a new one. The fuel filters for Polonez were out of stock, so I've looked at some auctions and I've chosen something that looked similar, and this is for some Skoda. It is exactly the same thing, assuming that that one was actually supposed to go here, but yeah, whatever, it will work. Yeah. Co? A! So it's fine. Yeah, changing the fuel tank helped. Besides, of course, the fuel tank being rusted. For sure, there was also some rust corrosion on the nipples, and it definitely sucked some air. I'm not sure if the changing of the ECU had something to do with that, probably not. We may still have some slight adjustments to do. Well, adjustments, I mean, we had to improvise a little with the diameters of the hoses, but yeah, I think it will be fine for now. So now I will just finish changing the oil, and that would be it. By the way, about the oil, right? This is from yesterday. This is what came out from the car. Zapaszki też są dobre. Yeah, so this is like water. It's almost like water. Yeah, I can feel a little bit. This is a little bit sticky, but it has so much fuel in there that, damn. Yeah, and what we will be putting in is this pink liquid moly gen. Yeah. I've chosen it only because it's green. I mean, it has a very noticeable green tint. I will try to show you. Yeah, we've already put half a liter into the fuel filter, which is right over there, a new one. Because yeah, it has this nice position that you can actually pre-fill it, so it takes less time later when you start the engine. So yeah, that's the oil. Can I? Come on, yeah. I hope you can see that. It's, of course, it's yellow, like, but it's even really like yellow green. Yeah, it has very intense green tint. Yeah, I think it deserves it. It survived really against the odds, so yeah. I guess we'll see next time how it performs exactly. Yeah, today I'm actually trying to do a test drive through the highway, about maybe 50 kilometers both, I mean 25 one way. Wish me luck, yeah.
Happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all whistle away.
Ozdobny gąbka się wie.
So as you can see, the engine in our truck is now running fine. I drove over 50 kilometers and there were no problems that I could spot. I didn't push it really hard, just to to get to know the car a bit better. But nevertheless, I was driving the highway around 90 kilometers per hour, no problems. Yeah, the temperature of the engine was really steady, around 90 degrees. So yeah, no problems there. One issue is that because we had to take out the exhaust for changing the fuel tank, it's now leaking, which makes it rather on the loud side because the flange is actually curved. So we'll have to do something about that next time, as well as some smaller stuff, like finally do something about that gas pedal linkage, maybe change the accessory belts, things like that. Yeah, so still a lot of smaller stuff to do, but the main goal to make it run and drivable is achieved. So yeah, I'm really happy about that, and I guess we'll see what's coming next, and catch you next time.